All right, how is everyone doing? Welcome back to another video. And in this video, what I have for everyone is my fit and sound demo with the GameXtrem J92 truly wireless Bluetooth earbuds. So in this video here today, we're going to do two things. I'm going to give y'all a fitting demonstration, all right? Let y'all know how I feel about the overall fit and feel of the earbuds. Then I'm going to give you two sound samples to the best of my ability. One is going to be a leakage test, and one is going to be a sound sample test to the best of my ability. Also, I'm going to go ahead and give y'all my overall opinions on the overall sound quality, the volume, and the bass of these earbuds. I'll be sure to reiterate this in the full review of these earbuds. So without further ado, let's dive into today's video. So starting off here, the first thing I want to do for everyone is give everyone a fitting demonstration. Now, in terms of the fit, I decided to stick with the stock earbud tips that came on the earbuds by default. Now they did also come with one other size ear tip. They came with a medium and a large. By default, it has the mediums on by default, or the large is on by default. I decided to stick with those. I do also have a custom set of earbud tips. I decided that I didn't have to use those. Okay, so that's what I'm doing in terms of how I have the earbuds set up. Okay, so turning to my left here, giving y'all a good shot of the right earbud, I have to say it fits pretty much perfectly. And in terms of the comfort, I would have to say these earbuds are extremely comfortable. I didn't have any issues in terms of the comfort. And in terms of the fit, I would have to say the fit is top notch. Turning to my right now and giving y'all a shot of the left earbud, again, it's more of the same thing. So overall, in terms of the fit and the comfort level of these earbuds, I have to say GameXtrem has done a top-notch job. Okay? So that goes over the overall fit and the feel and the comfort. And I gotta tell y'all, in terms of staying in my ears, no issues. No issues. I've taken this on multiple workouts. No issues. And you can see doing a real vigorous test there, not coming out. And I would equate that to these ear hooks. Ear hook earbuds are by far some of my favorite style of earbuds. Okay. And that's because you get the secure fit while also maximizing the comfort. So by far, if I have to choose, I'm either going to be rocking the earbuds with the wing tips that go inside my earlobes, or I'm going to be rocking the earbuds with the hooks. So it hooks on around the outer part of my ears and it's not going anywhere. Okay? So that goes over the overall fit and gives y'all a real quick demonstration. Now let's get into our audio samples. Now, I have the earbuds connected up to my Samsung Galaxy Tab S6. I'll have the appropriate B-roll thrown up in post, as I always do. I'll also put up in post a close-up of the earbuds for y'all to get a real good look at how the earbuds look. And I went ahead and I already set the volume to 100%. Again, I'll have all the appropriate B-roll thrown up in post. Let's go ahead and push play now. And I want y'all to check for leakage. Now, for reference, I have my wireless microphone hooked up here today, and it's less than a foot away from my mouth, and the earbuds are at maximum volume. So if there's any leakage coming off of the earbuds, the microphone should more than be capable of picking it up. So let's do the test number one. Let's do the leakage test now. Let me stop talking. Let me hit play. Okay, let me pause this. All right. So real quick leakage test there. Hopefully these earbuds don't have too much leakage coming off of them. But if they do, my microphone should be more than capable of picking it up. Now, real quickly before I give you guys and gals the last sound sample, or the last demonstration, the sound sample, let me give y'all my overall opinions on the overall sound quality, the volume, and the bass coming off of these earbuds. Now, this is another area where I have to say GameXtrem did a great job. In terms of the sound quality, it's top notch, okay? No issues on the lower end with crackling and distortion. No issues on the higher end with cutouts, crackling, or distortion. Top-notch sound quality on these. Moving over to the volume, whew, the volume also is top-notch as well. Okay, these earbuds get more than loud enough for me to drown out my surroundings and fully immerse myself in whatever I'm doing with the earbuds. And I got to tell y'all, taking them on gym workouts, didn't have any issues getting lost in my workout and just zoning out and focusing on my fitness. So top notch overall sound quality, top notch overall volume, and talking about the bass. This is another area where GameXtrem did a really good job. Now it's not quite top notch bass because it is just a touch soft. I really want more grit and more punch out of it. It's a touch soft, but it's almost there. Like you can feel it. It's noticeable. It's just a touch too soft for my liking. So that's what made me say the overall bass on these is just really good and not quite top notch. So reiterating, in terms of the sound quality, top notch. In terms of the volume, top notch. And in terms of the overall bass, really good on these in my overall opinion. Okay? So that touches on that. Now let's get into the last part of this video. Let's do a sound sample to the best of my ability, and then we'll wrap this one up. So let me restart the track now. Let's rewind this. And I'm going to hold up the earbuds to the microphone. So that's one. And here we go with number two. And we got one tap for play and pause. So let me play it and be quiet. Hold up. There we go. Okay, that should do it. Let's pause it here. Okay, and that, guys and gals, pretty much does it for today's video. Again, this has been a fit and sound demo of the GameXtrem J92 truly wireless Bluetooth earbuds. All right, if you guys and gals enjoyed this video, you guys and gals know what to do. Please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. If you would like to see more coverage on these earbuds, I'll link up all of my continued coverage down below in the video description, as well as if you're interested in purchasing these earbuds, I'll have all the affiliated buy links as to where y'all can pick up these earbuds at some really great prices, linked up down below in the video description as well. And as the name implies, if you make your purchase using those affiliated buy links, I do get a small percentage of commission that I do put back into the channel, and that's at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So those affiliated buy links are like a win-win in my opinion, and down below in the video description will be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. Today's video has been recorded with a combination of the front and the rear-facing cameras on the Samsung Galaxy S10e in 1080p at 30 FPS, and I am using my new wireless audio solution. So I'm using my new wireless universal microphones, okay? So please let me know what you think of the overall video quality, as well as what you think of the overall audio quality down below. As always, all your feedback is greatly appreciated. And in terms of the lighting, I am using my new professional studio lights. Well, it's not new. I've had it for like a year and a half now, but I am using my professional studio lights. So please let me know what you think of the overall lighting. Please let me know what you think of the overall video quality, as well as what you think of the overall audio. And please let me know how you feel the Extreme or the GameXtrem J92 truly wireless Bluetooth earbuds performed in this video. All right. As always, all your feedback is greatly appreciated. Remember to keep it respectful, please, down below if you decide to comment in the comment section. And I hope everyone is having a great day. Hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there. And I will catch everyone in the next one. Have a good one, everybody. We are out of here. Peace.